wondering why am I dressed up like this, this is because I wanted to do a half side Indian versus half side Arab makeup. I've been loving seeing these videos lately, especially the one that Mr. Jovita George did and the one that Dominique did. I think she has done quite a few variations and I was very inspired by that. I wanted to kind of do this as my own version. Also, now that I'm in Dubai, I'm very inspired by the Emirati women around me. I feel that they experiment so much with makeup and especially a lot of colors in the eyes. They're not really afraid to, go in with those pinks and purples on the eyes, whereas I feel we Indians, we kind of stick to our regular earthy tones such as browns and golds, even when it comes to weddings and stuff. So I thought that it would be interesting to see the contrast that these two versions have, and honestly I cannot decide which one is my favorite. So yes, if you want to know the difference between the two and how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Hi guys, so first up I want to take this PAC moisture lotion and slather it all over my face because I've been feeling very dry and I almost forgot how amazing this is. I think this is the best to prep your skin. Now we're going to go straight to the eyes. I'm going to use this MAC Paint Pot in Laying Low. I'm going to put it a little heavier on the Arab side because we are using a lot more denser colors, and just quickly set it with some translucent powder. This is the Laura Mercier, and first up we're going to take this bright pink shadow. This is the Morphe 35O, I believe. I will list everything down below. I'm going to take that shade and put it on my crease, and I'm going to really work it through. Then with this little bit of brown, I just want to warm up that pink a little bit because crease colors look a lot better with a little bit of warmth. And then I'm going to use my trusty Maybelline Age Rewind to cut that crease, son. I thought this concealer was better because it has a yellow undertone and it is really potent. Like, it's a very high coverage concealer, and I feel for cutting the crease you need something like that. Now I'm just going to set it with a little bit of translucent powder, and I'm going to take these two colors from the same Morphe palette, and first I'm going to put this kind of in the outer third, then with a little bit of pink just on the middle, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this black and I'm going to put it on the outer third and kind of just blend it in. This black is not very pigmented, but for this look I felt like it worked because I didn't want the black to be very potent either. Then I need to line my eyes, so I'm taking this NYX eyeliner. I think this worked really well because this was the first time I used it, and the tip of this really helped me get a really elongated wing, the kind that I've seen Arab women wear. Now going on to the Indian side, I'm still prepping my eyes with some eye primer and setting it with a little bit of loose powder. Taking this brown color from the Perfect Filter NYX palette, I'm just going to quickly warm up my crease a little bit, just so that we have something to start off with. After that, actually I forgot that I needed to do my eyebrows, so I'm going to take this Maybelline Tattoo Brow. If you've seen my Instagram, you know I tried this out. You aren't following me there, please follow me. I just felt like this would be better to kind of get a little more boxy eyebrow because I've seen that as a trend here in Arab women, and just going to clean up under my eyebrows so that hopefully it gives me some form of a bold brow. Moving on to my Indian side, I'm going to use this kind of dirty brown, I don't know what else to call it, and then I'm going to take in this black color. This is from MAC, and we're going to put it on my outer third, and this beautiful gold pigment from Morphe on my inner third. And then once that is done, I'm going to again line my eyes, but this time a little baby wing, not like full on wing. Moving on to face, I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation. I know this looks way lighter than my skin tone, but after I'm done with everything, you will see that it kind of oxidizes on me. Plus, I feel like both in the UAE and in India, women, I mean, though I don't like it, but women do tend to go in for one shade kind of brighter than their skin tone so that they can look a little brighter / fairer. We can have a discussion about that later, but for now I need to I need to use concealer on my under eyes, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and just quickly setting up setting it with Laura Mercier translucent powder. On my lower lashes, I'm using the same pink color we used on the crease and really smoking out the lower lash line, and again, you know, enhancing the elongated wing. Then taking this brown color, I'm going to use it on my Indian side and just on the outer third, not taking it all the way in, just on my outer third, and really smoking out my lower lash line. Taking some gel liner, again, only on my outer third. I'm going to use it as a kohl, but on both my eyes, I'm going to tight line it with the gel liner for the Arab and the Indian side. After this, I'm going to kind of do my natural brow, because right now my brow situation is not very nice, but kind of have a natural-ish brow situation going on for my Indian side. Then I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes and put on some mascara. I like going in with this step, even though I know I'm going to be wearing falsies. I just feel that my lashes blend in better with the falsies with this. I'm going to use this MIKYAJY highlighting bronzing stick. I've been loving using this product. I feel it's beautiful, and a little more on the Arab side and a little less on the Indian side. Same thing with the contour. You will see me a little heavier, going a little heavier on the Arab side and a little lighter on the Indian side, because for the Indian side I want to go in with a little more subdued, glowy, bronzy look. Same way, I'm going to be putting the bronzer only on the Indian side and not on the Arab side, whereas on the Arab side I want to go in with this darker contour shade and really work and carve those cheekbones out. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but don't worry, we're about to get that situation sorted. Then cleaning up under my contour, I'm taking it a lot heavier on my Arab side than on my Indian side. And today I'm going to be contouring my nose. I thought that only contouring one side wouldn't really be okay, so I just contoured both sides of my nose. Then with this bright pink color, I'm going to put it on my Arab side. This is by SIVANNA colors. I felt like it's going in with the pink theme. And this peachy color from ColourPop on my Indian side, because I felt it matches my brown earthy tones a lot better. Now, to shake off all the bakage, I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and take it all off, and I'm going to use this bright pink color. This is also from ColourPop. This is one of the ultra matte liquid lipsticks, and for my Indian side I want to go in with a lot more nudie pinky shade, because I feel we Indians are a lot more comfortable in this zone. And for eyelashes, for the Arabic side I want to use Huda Beauty Samantha, and for the Indian side I want to use these pack eyelashes. And boom, I'm back with some jewelry, blue contact lenses for my Arab side, and hello, no look is complete without highlights. So I'm just going to drench both my sides in highlight, because highlight is big. I mean, you can be in UAE or in India, right? So yes, that is the half and half. Wow. You tell me how you like it.
So yes, this is the final result. Like I honestly cannot say which side I love more, because this side I'm loving the eyes. I've never experimented so much with color on my eyes before, and I feel like I love the skin on the Indian side, because I feel this side the skin is really like very highly contoured, and the side of the skin looks a lot more glowy and dewy. So I cannot decide, but I had a lot of fun doing this. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and if you would like me to do more of these kind of videos, because honestly I am loving this. And yes, I guess that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.